It's been very informative. Found out about things that I didn't know even existed and that they should be addressed, and things that are coming up sooner than you would hope. I appreciate the help very much. The way everything was explained makes me feel prepared enough to go to my boss and explain to him the things that need to be done and kind of show him how to do some of the things, which I probably wouldn't have known how to do. We have it set up, but we need to personalize, be more specific, be able to appear to people that have no idea about us, not just to the people that already know about us. Just get to a class. Don't put it off.